Hi everyone, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are making my vision board for 2020. I'm using the other page of the goals for 2020 that I have recently created, and I pre-pulled some stickers from various sticker books. Some are from the accessory book of Rang Rang, Supermom, Boss Babe, Goals, Seasonal, Rang Rang Seasonal, Color Story 4. That circle is from the super cute, awesome stickers, that mega book. And I used the brand new fitness as well. And I think I used the tiny sticker book as well. So I'm going to start off with placing the circle sticker right in the middle of the page, and then grabbing my washi and dividing it into different sections so I can make different sections of my vision board for like couple categories for my life. I'm gonna divide it into separate categories. So I'm just gonna cut my washi with my silly bird scissors. I'm going to divide the page into 4 separate sections with a circle in the middle, and this is exactly where my word of the year will go. So I have picked my word of the year already, and I think it's going to make a lot of sense to focus on that for the becoming year, and I can't wait to do that. But for right now, I'm just gonna make the vision board. So I'm just counting how many categories I had on the other side, so I can combine like my work and career with social media, and my wellness with fitness and spirituality, and my family and friends and my relationship into one. So I'm just putting some squad from the Rang Rang. That's symbolizing more time with family and friends. And then we have a sticker that says life is such a gift, which I agree. And then just celebrating life from Rang Rang and date night and be grateful. And it's kind of all over the place, but that's exactly what I am going to be doing this coming up year. I'm going to be spending time with family and friends and celebrating and just having a blast. That bottom section I turned into a fitness and wellness, and I'm putting listen to your soul, to your heart, and then strength workout, focus on you, farmer's market basket, and some fruit and veggies. And I moved those stickers to put achieve greatness right in the middle because I thought that was so fitting. And then for my work section and my social media section, I put Boss Babe, let's get down to business. I put a little laptop. And then don't just be busy, be productive, which speaks to me in such a great lengths. And then for my finances, I have big goals. I want to be debt-free completely, but we'll see how that goes. And I found some inspirational stickers. And I decided I'm going to be flipping through some more stickers just to see how I can fill the spread up. I wasn't sure how much I'm going to need for one page. And again, I'm creating as we are doing this, so I wasn't sure how many stickers. It's not like I pre-plan my pages, and I actually prefer it that way for some reason. So know your worth, that's in the Boss Babe. There's one that says keep going plus keep growing. I love that. Make it happen. It's all of those positive things that I want in my life. And I'm gonna remove a few stickers and then reposition a few of them, so it's gonna be a great spread pretty soon. I'm just trying out this paid off sticker in certain areas and it just doesn't look well to me, so I took it off for just a bit. And then I went back to the Supermom sticker book and I'm looking for dollar signs to add to my financial goals and financial growth. I just wanted a couple dollar signs to make it look cute. And that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be repositioning stickers here and there. And I'm going to write my word right in the middle. And my word for this year is simplify. I want to make sure that all of the areas of my life are simplified. And I'm focusing on the big picture in my life and not missing out on the things that I think I need to focus on, but they're really not important. So I just want to simplify and clarify what really needs to happen in my life. So that's the main focus of this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!